Hello, guys. Welcome to Tech Kizak's channel. And in today's episode, we're gonna learn the following topics, and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello, guys. Welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel, today we will learn about pivot chart option under the Insert tab in Excel. So I wonder what the pivot chart option does in Excel. Let me show you. So you can find a pivot chart option under the Insert tab. If you click on this, and then you can create either pivot chart only or pivot chart and pivot table together. But now we will create only pivot chart. You click on this, Excel will ask you your data range. Then you can select your table or range. So we will select our range. By going over here, we will select all of it. And then if you want this in new worksheet or in existing worksheet, so we will create in existing worksheet and then select OK. Now we have a pivot chart here. Now the magic will begin. So we can click and drag and our pivot table will update automatically. If we want to see sales by region, we can just click and drag them and our table will update automatically. You can either filter them or you can either group them. You can even add slicer for better filtering and interactive dashboards. So hopefully you can now tell the difference between a simple chart and a pivot chart. So the main difference is that pivot chart is dynamic. It updates as you arrange the fields. It will automatically update as you rearrange data, unlike a normal chart. And this is perfect for analyzing big data very fast. Hopefully you like today's video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we were gonna learn about the slicer option under the Insert tab. So let's learn what is a slicer option. So a slicer is a filter tool which is visual and you can filter your data very quickly. Let's understand this by applying a slicer on this data. So I have a simple data and I want to filter this data quickly to see the products sold in different regions. So first I will convert this data into table by pressing Ctrl T and then select OK. Now we have these simple filter buttons in which we have to select each and everything and then it will filter and then go back and do the same thing all the time. But there is a very easy method to filter your data. So you need to click anywhere in your data table and then you will get this option under the table design, insert slicer, and then you will get the same option here, slicer. If we click on this option, both options under the table design and insert will do the same. As we were learning about all the functions under insert, so we will use from here. So I want to see products, different products sold in different regions. I will select these two and then select OK. Now as you can see, we have one slicer for region and one slicer for products. We will rearrange them over here. We will adjust their sizes and rearrange them where we want them to be. You can even change the color scheme of them and you can go to slicer setting and here you can change other things as well. So now I want to see Apple sales in East region only. So this is showing it here. But what if I want to say in East and North? I will press the Control and select North as well. I can see in North as well. If you want to select two of them, you have to press Control to multi-select them. For example, I want to see apple and banana in East and North. And then there is a little button here to clear all the filters, as same as here. Hopefully you understand what is a slicer and how to use it. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel, today we will learn about timeline option under the Insert tab. So you can find this option if you click on Insert tab and then you go over to the right side, you can find the timeline option. If you hover over this option, it will say use a timeline to filter data interactively. Timeline make it faster and easier to select time periods in order to filter pivot table, pivot charts, and queue functions. So I have this data and I want to quickly see the sales in different regions over the different time period. So first we will convert this data into a pivot table and then select OK. Now we have the pivot table fields here. So we will put the regions in the rows and then sales in the value. Now I have sum of sales by the regions, but I want to see the sales in each region in different time periods. So what I will do is I will go over here, click anywhere in the pivot table and then go to Insert tab and here I will insert a timeline. So here now I get option date. I will click on this. So this option will only work with the dates and I will check the date option and then select OK. Now as you can see here, I have this timeline here. This is same like slicer. You can adjust the size like this or then you can readjust it and then you can move it around. You can move it around by selecting it and you can change the theme of it as well. You have some presets theme here. You can change the style, the one you want. For now blue is fine. So I have these months here. I can select January. As you can see, these sales are only for the January and then I want to see for the April. These sales are only for the April and then I want to see December only. So these sales are for December's only and then you can arrange them in here it as it's only 1 year data. So we can arrange it in months, days, and quarters. Let's arrange it in quarters. Now I want to see the sales for quarter 1. These are the sales for the quarter 1. Then I want to see the sales for quarter 4. These are the sales for the quarter 4. So this is how you can use timeline when you have data which is connected by the date, or you want to see the progress over the time. Then you can use timelines. You can use them with pivot table, pivot charts, etc. to quickly summarize your data according to the time. So hopefully you like today's video. If you like today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like it. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the functions under the insert tab, today we will learn about the link. What is a link? You can tell it by name that this will add link or a hyperlink to your document for quick access to the web pages and files. Hyperlink can also take you to the places in your document. So first of all, we will learn how to add a simple link to a website in your Excel sheet. So for example, I want to add a link in cell A1 to Google. For example, so just an example, you can add link to any website in your workbook. So we will add link to Google. So select the cell and then go to link under the insert tab. You can find it to the right side of the insert tab. If you click on this dialog box will open up. So we will into the link to section, we will select existing file or web page, and then we have address box here. So we will add the address here, website address, which is google.com, and then we have a box here, text to display. So we can leave the address like this, or we can put something like open Google. We can put open Google like this, and this text will display where the address is this one. You can even link to your workbooks you have saved in your computer. I only have these two, so these two are only appearing, but if you have more workbooks, you can create a link and then select OK. Now you can see we have an open Google, which is in light blue color. If we hover over to it, it is showing the address. So click once to follow the link, or click and hold to select the cell. So if we click and hold, it selected the cell, but if we just one click, then it will open up the Google for you. Let's close it down. Hopefully you understand how to add a simple link in your workbook in Excel. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about link under the insert tab. You can find the link option. If you go to insert tab on to the right side, you can find the link. Link is used to add links or hyperlinks in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Then you can even put a link to different places in your document. So let's try this and see how does it work. So you need to select the cell where you want to add the link, and then you need to go to link and click on it. This insert link dialog box will open up. So first one, we have existing file or page. This is the one I have already told you about in my previous video, that this will take you to the different Excel file saved on your computer or to the website. So you can just put the link and then it will take you to the website. And then we have this in this document. So this will take you to the any cell in your worksheet that you have already opened or all the other worksheets. For example, I'm now in sheet 4 and I want to go to A3 cell. So I can type the cell reference in here, then select OK. Now, if I click on this link, this will take me to the cell A3. You can put anything in here. Now, I will show you this can also take you to the other sheets as well. For example, I want to go sheet 1 and the cell A1 and then select OK. Now, if I click on this will take me to the sheet 1. So hopefully you understand how the link work and how you can easily put them in your workbook. Now, let's go to the link again. So this is done. Hopefully you understand this one. But now we have create new document. So this link will create a new document. You can put a name for your document. For example, let's put test 2 and then edit the new document later or edit the new document now. I will leave the edit the new document now and then select OK. Now we have opened up this sheet 1. If we selected the edited later, then this will open up when we click on the link. But as we have selected edit the document now, that's why it opened up the workbook automatically. If we go back and then click on the link again, we can even change the path where you want to save the file, and then you can put the text to display as well, and then the name of the new document, and then select OK, and then new document will open up. So hopefully you understand properly what is a link. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about text under the insert tab. What is a text group? So this text have a drop down as well. If we click on this, then we'll get text box, header and footer, word art, signature and object. So let's see what are these. So first of all, we have text box. So this will drop a floating text box you can move around everywhere and great for notes and chart label. Let's try this out. Let's try the text box. If we click on this, you will get this little arrow here. You can then draw a label here and then you can add any text in here. So I added hello world here, and then I can adjust the size, and then I can move around when I get this arrow, and then I can even change the color color, the style, and everything. So this is great for notes or chart labels that are not attached to a specific cell. Let's delete this. And then we have header and footer. If we click on this will add header and footer, and you can add text to the top or bottom of the printed pages. For example, if you want to print the pages and you have many pages, then you can put numbers, file names, and date, etc. Let's undo this and come back. And then we have word art. So this is just fancy stylized text, not very practical but fun for titles. If we click on this, you will get some different presets. Let one, and then you can get a stylish text here, and then same, you can move it around everywhere you want to. This is good for the titles or for the cover pages for your documents. Let's undo this and then go back to text again, and then we have signature line. So this will create a support for digital or handwritten signatures. This is perfect for approvals. And then we have object. By using this option, you can embed other files like Word documents or PDFs right inside your Excel. If we click on this, we can add different documents in our Excel sheet. For example, PowerPoint, presentations, slides, Word documents, and then paintbrush picture as well. Let's try this one. If we click on this, as you can see here, this paint appeared. So if I write something here, this is updating it here. It's updated here. The thing I wrote here, updated here. And then if we close the paint, now we have a paintbrush picture here. So we can move it around anywhere we can put it down. So this is good for if you want to put Word documents or PDF in your Excel or something like that. Hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.